Monday, October the 15th, and our word for today is forgive. I let go of the past and I live in the now. If I have felt slighted in some way, the most productive thing I can do is to forgive. Why should I hold on to negative thoughts, feelings or events of the past when doing so may bring me pain and discomfort? If I want to live in a spirit of freedom, then I have to free myself from the bondage of the past. I want to live freely in this present moment, so I let go of the past. Quiet moments of prayer attune me to the power of divine love within. As I still my thoughts and center myself in the power of love, my heart space and my breath synchronize. I breathe in love. As I let this divine power guide my thoughts, I open to a new way of thinking. If painful memories surface, I do not dwell on them, but release them and let them drift away. John's Gospel, chapter 5, verse 8 says this: Jesus said to him, "Stand up, take your mat and walk."